Hi, and welcome to day 316 of the Feathered Quest. Today's bird of the day is the lesser goldfinch. Like other finches, lesser goldfinches use their conical bills to husk small seeds before eating them. Let's go find that daily feather. Thanks for coming along with me today, guys. Remember, you are loved, and the world is full of wonder. So, did we find our bird of the day?